Hey guys, sorry. Here's a short video to go along with the two longer videos I just posted about the services that we do and do not carry at Walmart ACC. I know I don't have to say this because if you've been to Walmart, you know we do tires, but yes, we do tires. We do tires, rotation, installation. I will put it this way. I don't think I've ever said this in any of my videos. But if you've got a vehicle, if you have a vehicle and you have different size tires on it. So, give me an example. Frankie, these are not the original wheels. These are 17s, and he originally came with 16s. 255, 70, 16. 265, 70, 17s on it. So, if you come into Walmart and your vehicle has 265, 70, 17s on it, but you want 285, 65, 17 or a bigger size tire, by our policy, we cannot do that. We go by what's already on the vehicle or what the inside of the door says. So if the inside of the door says 255, 70, 16, but you have 265, 70, 17s on it, we have to put 265, 70, 17s back on it. Can't put any size bigger. Even if, that's just our policy. Whatever's on the vehicle or whatever the door says, that's what we go by. We cannot put a bigger size tire on it just because that's what you want. We can't do that. So, there's other places that'll do that for you, but we do not because that's our policy. So, if anybody was wondering, whatever your vehicle comes with, if you come in wanting a bigger size tire, not going to happen. If it comes with 255, 70, 16s on it, that's what we got to put back on it. Or whatever it currently has on it if it's not what the sticker in the door says. So, there you go.